Nanyang Primary School Mid-Year Exam 2022, Paper 2. Question 1. The bar graph below shows the number of stamps collected by 4 boys. Number of stamps collected were indicated at the left-hand side. So we have to find the gap. Okay, first look at 20 and 0. Okay. Now, 20 minus 0 is 20. Then we'll look at 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 gaps. So 20 divided by 4, each gap is 5. So if this is the case, 40, 45, 50. Oh, great. Okay, for Lyndon, it will be 80. Okay, 40 minus 5, we get 35. Okay, and Leon is 95. 100 minus 5, 95. So complete the table below with the number of stamps collected by each boy. So we have the answer because we already checked and label our graph. Okay. Question number 2. A bicycle wheel of diameter 80 cm made 3 complete turns. Okay, find the distance covered. So, when we have bicycle wheel, we'll find perimeter. In other words, circumference of the circle. Formula will be pi d. And d equals to 80, given. Okay, diameter is 80. So, one circumference, one complete turn, circumference will be pi is 3.14 times 80. Okay, so we'll have 251.20. So, 3 complete turn will be 3 times of 251.20. So we get 753.6 cm. So we'll put down answer 753.6 cm. Question number 3. Mr. Tan bought a laptop. The price of the laptop before, means without GST, was 2005. Now, he had to pay GST of 7% on the price of the laptop. What was the amount of GST? So the question asks for the amount of GST only. So 7% GST is 7 over 100 times the price of the laptop is 2005. Therefore, GST is $175. So 175. Next, we have question number 4. A machine started printing brochures at 8 a.m. on Wednesday at a rate of 800 brochures per hour. After every 5 hours of printing, it would be stopped for an hour to cool down. How many brochures were printed by 6 a.m.? So we can say Wednesday, 8 a.m., right? So we'll count 5 hours. So it will be 1 p.m. So we'll rest and start at 2 p.m. So here is a rest for 1 hour. Then we count another 5 hours. We'll reach 7 p.m. This is another 5 hours. And rest will be until 8 p.m. And then 8 p.m. to another 5 hours will be 1 a.m. on Thursday morning. Okay, and we'll rest another hour to 2 a.m. 2 a.m. to 6 p.m. 6 a.m. will be 4 hours. Okay, so we'll check the total time. Total time will be 1, 2, 3 sets of 5 hours plus 4 hours. Total 19 hours. Okay, so number of brochure printed will be 19 times what each hour is 800. So in total we'll print 15,200 brochure. 15,200. Okay. Now for question 5, Kendrick bought 4 different storybooks. We have 4 books. The first book cost $14. Okay, so first book is $14. Now the average cost of the remaining storybook was 3/7 of the cost of the first book. So average of 3 books will be 3/7 of 14. Okay, so 3/7 of 14 is $6. All right, so we can find total of the 3 books will be 3 times 6, $18. Okay, question asks for how much did he pay for the storybook. So total cost of 4 books will be $14. The first book plus the other 3 books, it will cost $32. So $32. Okay, next we'll move to question number 6. Question number 6, we have figure made up of a rectangle and a triangle overlapping each other as shown. 1/4 of the rectangle and 2/5 of the triangle is unshaded. Notice in the figure the unshaded is the common area of the rectangle and triangle. So we'll say 1/4 of the rectangle is equal to 2/5 of the triangle, and we'll make numerator the same. Okay, so 2/8 of the rectangle is 2/5 of the triangle. This equal part will be the unshaded area. Okay, and rectangle is 8 unit and triangle is 5 unit. Okay, so find the area of the rectangle, and given that the area of the unshaded part of the figure is 57, means the 2 unit unshaded is 57 cm square. So 1 unit is 57 divided by 2 will have 28.5. Okay, so rectangle is 8 units, so 8 times 28.5, we will have 228 as answer for A. Okay, answer of A is 228 cm square, because this is area. Okay, next, what fraction of the figure is unshaded? Okay, so here we have total rectangle is 8, total triangle is 5, and unshaded is 2. Okay, here is 2. So here the shaded of the rectangle will be 6, and shaded of triangle will be 3. So total figure will be 6 unit and 2 unit unshaded plus 3 unit will have 11 unit. Okay, fraction unshaded will be, unshaded is 2 unit out of total figure is 11 unit. So this will be my answer for B. 2 out of 11. Okay. Next, question 7. We have the figure below is made up of a quarter, circle, and a triangle. The radius of the quarter circle is 20. Find the area of the shaded part. Okay, so area of shaded part, okay, will be made up of the quadrant. Take away the unshaded triangle, which is side 20. This is radius 20. So what we can do is we can say this is 1/4 times pi is 3.14. Area is times radius. Okay, minus away the triangle is half times 20 times 20. Okay, so we will have 200 times 200. So total will be 314. Okay, minus 200. Okay, 114 is the shaded part. So because this is in meter, so the 114 is meter square. Okay. Question number 8. Joe had a rectangular piece of paper, 36.8 cm and by 29 cm as shown below. He cut up as many squares as possible from the paper. The side of each square was 5 cm. So the little square is 5 cm. Okay. At most, how many squares did Joe cut out? So we have to handle this by handling the side of the rectangular piece of paper. 36.8 over 5 and 29 over 5. Okay, so we will have 7.36. We can only cut 7 pieces because the leftover cannot be used. Same for this. We will have 5.8 and we have to round down to 5. So total number of square can be cut up will be 7 times 5, 35. Okay. Question 9. Susie formed a solid using some 2 cm, 3 cm, and 5 cm cubes. She used a total of 18 cubes to form the solid, and the total volume of the solid is 707 cm cube. So how many 2 cm cube did Susie use? So first we find out the volume. Okay, because here they give us the total volume. So we'll find the volume of each type of cube. Volume for 2 cm cube is 8. Okay, for 3 cm cube is 27. For 5 cm cube is 125. If we have this, each cube 1 each, the total will be 160 cm cube. Okay, so if each type I have 1 piece, okay, I roughly will have 4.4 set. Okay, this is about 4.4 set. So based on this information, we'll do our guess and check. Okay, so here, all right, so we will put down the 5 cm cube, 3 cm cube, and 2 cm cube. So 5 cm cube, okay, 3 cm cube, and 2 cm cube. Okay, so if we guess, okay, this is guess and check. So if we guess 5 times 1, 2, 5 pieces, I will have 625 cm cube. Okay, so balance, because they say total is 707, so minus 625, I will have 82 to share among the 3 cm cube and 2 cm cube. However, they tell us total is 18 pieces. So if I minus away 5 pieces, I will be left with 13 pieces. Okay, now 13 pieces, we know that we will distribute among 8 and 27, so I will only guess one piece of 3 cm cube, which is 27. So I would have 13 minus 1, balance of 12 pieces of cm cube. So 12 times 8, I will have 96. So if I take 27 plus 96, it will give me 123, which I only need 82. This is wrong. So my next guess, okay, I will be guessing 4 pieces. 1, 2, 5. Okay, this will be 500. So balance 707 minus 500. I'll be left with 207. So I will try to fit 207. Okay, so now I will have 18 pieces minus 4 pieces, left 14 pieces. Okay, so 14 pieces, let's try the set, which is 4, excuse me, okay, 4 times 27, okay, I will have 108, okay, so here, if I have 18 minus 4, 14, 14 minus 4, okay, I will be left with 10. So if it is 10 times 8 is 80. So 108 plus 80, I will have 188. So I have 207 still wrong. So assuming I'm taking the same 4 pieces of the 5 cm cube, so 18. Okay, now I increase because this one is too low. So I increase this and say that I will have 5 pieces. Okay, pieces. 18 minus 4, 14 pieces for the 5 cm cube. Now I will take 5 pieces for 3 cm cube. Okay, so what I will have is 14 minus 5, which is 9 pieces. So I will remain 18 minus 4 is 14, but this time I will take 5 pieces of 3 cm cube, which will give me 135. Okay, so 14 pieces minus 5, I left 9 pieces. Therefore, 9 times 2 cm cube is 8. Okay, 72. So 135 plus 72, it will give me 207. So this is correct. Therefore, my answer will be 9. Okay, so my answer will be 9 pieces of 2 cm cube. Next, we'll go to question number 10. Question number 10. The following diagram shows a piece of paper QRST in the shape of a trapezium. So trapezium, here we have parallel line. Angle TQR is 115 degree. The paper is furled along the line UV, which is parallel to QT. So this is parallel as well. Okay, and then find angle X. So when you have this angle, okay, here, and when we fold, it becomes here. Therefore, this angle will be marked as 115. So angle X will be angle at the point 360 degree minus 115 degree, and will have 245 degree. So this is answer for A, and I'll put down my answer is 245 degree. Okay, then we'll look further. They want to find angle Y. So angle Y, to find angle Y, we will unfold this paper, assuming we unfold. Okay, right? So what we can do is, because these are parallel line, okay, so here when you add up, okay, it will be 180 degree. Therefore, this will be able to find by taking 180 minus 115. So angle XUV, okay, angle QUV, okay, is 180 degree minus 115 degree will be 65 degree. Now, if this is 65 degree, here when you unfold, this will also be 65 degree. So we can find angle Y. Okay, when you unfold, it's a straight line, 180 degree minus 65 degree, 2 pieces. Okay, you will have 50 degree. Okay, so look at question 11. In the figure below, EFGH is a square. So whenever we have a square, we will mark the equal part. Okay, FKE is 106 degree and FE equals to EJ. So this will be equal, right? FKH and JKE are straight line. So given they are straight line, find angle KFJ. Okay, so we're looking for this angle here, KFJ. So to find KFJ, first, when we have a square, diagonal cut, we'll have here 45 degree, 45 degree. So here will be 45 degree. So I can find angle FEJ here. Okay, So I will find angle FEJ, it will be 180, take away 45, take away 106 degree, and you have 29 degree. Now, we know that these are isosceles triangle, and we have the top of the isosceles triangle, so we can find the two legs of the isosceles triangle. To find the two legs of the isosceles triangle, angle EFJ equals to angle EJF equals to 180. Take away the 29 degree on top and divide by 2. Okay, so we have 75.5 degree. Means here is 75.5. The other side also 75.5. So now we can find angle KEJ, which is 75.5. Take away the 45 degree. We have 30.5 degree. So this will be our answer, 30.5 degree. Okay, question 12. There are two different shops offering the following discount for the same bag, both priced at $95 before discount. So shop A will give 20% discount, shop B will give $15 discount. Which shop sold the bag at a lower price? Okay, show your workings clearly. So we look at shop A. If I have a 20% discount, I will have to pay the discounted price at 80%. So discounted price 80% of $95, it will be $76. Okay. Now for shop B, discounted price will be $95, take away $15 discount. Okay, will arrive at $80. So $76 is cheaper. We'll choose shop A. B, Lisa had $100 and she bought the bag from the shop that offered a lower price. So means she buy from shop A. How much money she have left? So money left will be her $100, which we pay $76, and we have $24 left. Now this is money, so you must remember to put your dollar sign. Okay, so for question 13, we have a rectangular tank with a base of 3,500 cm square and a height of 80 cm. 1/4 filled with water. Okay, they never mention the height here. At 8 a.m., okay, a tap was turned on and water was drained off from the tank at the rate of 4 liters. Question 13. A rectangular tank with a base area of 3,500 cm square and a height of 80 cm was 1/4 filled with water at first. At 8 a.m., a tap was turned on, okay, and water was drained off from the tank at a rate of 4 liters per minute. Okay, at 8:06 a.m., the tap was then turned off. Okay, how much water was drained off from the tank? So when we have 1/4 filled, means 3/4 empty at first. Okay, now from 8 a.m. to 8:06 a.m., it will be a 6 minute of water that drained off. Okay, so volume of water that drain off. Okay, so volume of water drain off will be taking the 6 minute and 4 liter per minute, so it will be 24 liter. So we drain off 24 liter. This is for my A. After the tap was turned off, how much more water was needed to fill the tank completely? Okay, so we need to find out the 3/4 empty tank. Okay, so 3/4 empty tank, 3/4 of the tank will be the base area times the height and times 3/4 only. So we have 210,000 cm cube. Here we have liter, so 1 liter is 1000 cm cube. So 24 liter will be 24,000 cm cube. Okay, so water needed to fill will be the empty container 3/4 plus whatever has been drained off the 24,000. So we have 234,000 cm cube. So the answer will be 234,000 cm cube of water is needed to fill the tank completely. Okay. Question 14. A pencil and an eraser cost $1.05, and the pencil and the ruler cost 85 cents. So we can say 1 pencil and 1 eraser cost $1.05. Statement number 1. 1 pencil and 1 ruler cost 85 cents. Statement 2. Now, Bernice paid $6.90 for 8 pencil and 5 eraser. So 8 pencil and 5 eraser cost $6.90. Okay. Chandra paid $3.30 for some ruler. A. What was the cost of one such eraser? Look at eraser. Statement number 1 and number 3 have similar item. So since we are looking for eraser, we'll make pencil the same. So we'll take 1 times 8. So means this times 8. 8 pencil and 8 eraser is 105 times 8. Okay, that will give us $8.40. Okay, then we take this statement number 4. Okay, minus statement number 3. So we take out the 8 pencil and 8 eraser minus 5 eraser. I'll be left with 3 eraser will be $8.40 minus $6.90, which is $1.50. So 1 eraser will be $1.50 divided by 3. It will be 50 cents. Okay, so this will be my answer for A, because we're looking for cost of an eraser. Okay, so we sub this information. Okay, 1 eraser, okay, into 1. So 1 pencil will be $1.05. Take away 1 eraser, 50 cents. It will be 55 cents. Now, They are looking for the number of ruler. So we need to find the price of a ruler. So if I know a pencil is so much, then I will sub this, okay, sub into 2. So 1 ruler will be 85 cents minus 55 cents, which will be 30 cents. Now, the question mentioned Chandra paid $3.30. So, number of ruler, okay, that Mr. Chandra bought will be $3.30 divided by 30 cents each. So, we can find 11. This will be answer for B. Mr. Chandra bought 11 ruler. Okay. Question number 15. Okay. Carl had clips of 4 different colors. Okay. 1/8 of the clips were white and 2/7 of the remaining clips were red. So since we have remainder, we will use a technique called branching. Alright. So total, denominator is always the total number of unit. 1 unit is white. Alright. So 8 unit, take away 1 unit, we have 7 unit is the remainder. And 2/7 of the remainder. So 7 and 2/7 of the remainder will be red. So we lay down, and then we have 5 unit left. Okay. Now this 5 unit left, they have equal number of blue and yellow. So when they have equal, we say 1 unit of blue, 1 unit of yellow. So when you go up, it should be only 2 units. So we have to make the leftover the same. So this one times 5 times 5 times 5. This will be times 2 times 2 times 2. So all we must times 2 to make everything align. Okay. So here we have 5 unit. Here we have 10 unit. Here you have 10 unit, which these two must be the same. Okay. And here you have 4 unit. Here you have 14. Here you have 14. So this one also align, this layer. Okay, 16 and 2. Okay, so blue is 5 unit. Okay, so blue 5 unit is 35 given. So we can find 1 unit is 35 divided by 5 is 7. Okay, so what did they want? They want how many red clips? Okay, so red is 4 unit. Okay, so 4 times 7 is 28. So this is answer for A. Okay. For B, Carl packed all the blue clips into small, medium, and large boxes. He filled each small box with 2 clips. So small box, we have 2 clips. Okay, each medium box, we have 3 clips. And each large box, we have 6 clips. All the boxes were full and there's no clip left over. What was the least number of boxes used by Carl? So, since they want the least number of boxes, we fill all the large boxes first. So, number of large, which is a 6 clip box, is we take 35 divided by 6. Okay, if you take 35 divided by 6, you will have 5 boxes. And you have a remainder of 5. So remainder of 5, notice these two add up is 5 clips. So we must have one small and one medium size. So what we can do is we say number of medium, which is 3 clips. 5 divided by 3. Okay, we have 1 box, remainder 2. So number of small is 2 clips. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. So here we have 5 boxes, 1 box, 1 box. So total number of boxes without remainder we can pack is 5 large, 1 medium, 1 small. We need 7 box. Okay, so this will be answer for B, 7 boxes. Alright. Question number 16. The figure below is made up of 16 identical semicircles and a rectangle. The diameter of each semicircle is 14 cm. So diameter is 14, radius will be 7. First A, they want to find the perimeter of the figure. So it's given there's no straight line. Okay, we can say that this thing, okay, 16 of them, there's no straight line. If you outline them, the whole thing. So what we can do is we can simply take the perimeter of the figure will be 16 semicircle. So half times 16 semicircle times 22 over 7 times 14. Okay, so 352 cm. Okay, so answer for A, 352 cm. Now B, they want to find the area of the figure. So we have 14, 14, 14, 14, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 14 times 5. So the length will be 70. Okay, the breadth will be 3 pieces of 14. Okay, and the breadth will be 42. Okay, so because area we have to cover all. Okay, so what we can do is area of the figure, alright, will be the rectangle plus 8 circle. 16 semicircle equals to 8 circle. Okay, which formula we use is pi r square and r is 17. So what we can do is we say 70 times 42 plus 8 times pi is 22 over 7 times 7 times 7. Okay, the answer will be 4172. Right? And the answer B, 4172 cm square. Right? So the last question of the paper is question 17. Okay, the amount of money Katie have to the amount of money Alice has was 3:4. Okay, so at first, okay, K to A, 3 unit, 4 unit. Okay, the changes is Katie spent $250 and on the bag and also give $50 to Alice. So Alice here increased by 50. and the N ratio become 1:2. So since they are of different ratio, different sets, we'll put like that. So means for K is 3 unit minus 300 is 1p. So this is my statement 1. And for A is 4 unit plus 50 is 2p. So to solve this, we make part the same. So we times 2. So 6 unit minus 600 is 2p. Okay. So now 2 and equals to 3 because both 2p. So I can say 6 unit take away 600 is the same as 4 unit plus 50. So we will have to move. So here I minus 4. Here I also minus 4. Here I plus 600 offset. So here also plus 600. So 6 unit minus 4 unit. I left 2 unit. Excuse me. I like to use the same color. So 2 unit will be 50 plus 600, which is 650. So 1 unit is 650 minus divide by 2. Okay, 3 to 5. A, how much money did Alice have at first? Alice at first have 4 unit. From here, we know Alice have 4 unit. So A is 4 unit. So 4 times 3 to 5. Okay, you should have answer 1,300. So this answer for A is 1,300. Now for B, how much money did Katie have in the end? Is 3 unit take away 300. So KN is 3 unit take away 300. So 3 times 325 minus 300. You should have 675 as answer for B. Okay, so this will be 675. Okay. Right, so that's the end of the paper. Right.